Hi students, third exercise. Before two problems completed. Now third question. Observations of the data 16, 72, 0, 55, 65, 55 and 10 and 41. The given data. In this data, Chaitanya calculated the mode median without taking the 0 into consideration. They given 0 also one of the data, but Chaitanya calculated without 0. Consider calculated mode median. So did Chaitanya do the right answer? Given observations. Given observations. Sixteen, 72, 0, 55, 65, 55, 10 and 41. They given observation. So without 0 write ascending order. Ascending order. Without 0 means no need to calculate 0. Without 0 write all ascending order. So first number here 10. 16 ascending means small to big. 41, 55, 55 and next 65, last 72. In that median means middlemost value is called median. So what is this here middlemost? How many observations total? 3, 6, 7 are there. 7 means only 1. Odd number observations we get only 1 median. Even observations, even number of observations will get 2 medians. Like here 7 observations. 7 is a odd number. Odd number we have only 1. What is that? Middlemost value here. This 55 means fourth place. This side 3, this side 3, leave it. In middle one, this is called median. So what is that? Middlemost value. Middlemost value equal to 55. Which is middlemost value? That is called median. Therefore, median equal to 55. And repeated value is called mode. So in that, what is repeated value? Repeated value. Only 55 is repeated. Repeated value equal to 55. All are only single time, one time. 55 is repeated value. This is called mode. Therefore, mode equal to 55. In that, mode is correct, but median is wrong. Why? Because without 0 calculate, mode is correct, but median is wrong. Why? Because median calculated depend upon observations. Means without 0. With 0 number of observations, total 7 observations. Without 0. With 0, 8 observations. Means for that 2 medians having, for that average we can take. So it is median is wrong. Means write one sentence. Mode is correct. Means with 0, without 0, mode is correct. But median is wrong. Mode is correct. But median is wrong. So with 0 take find median. Now with 0 find median. Write ascending order. Ascending order means with 0. 0 is smallest number. Ascending means small to big. 0, 10, 16, 41, 55, 55, 65, 72. Now how many observations total? 8 observations. 8 observations have only 2 medians. Means what are 2 numbers? These 2. Means find that average means middlemost values. 2 are there. What are that? 41, 55. 41, 55. For that find average, that is called median. Median equal to 41 plus 55 by 2. Sum of all observations by number of observations. 41 plus 55 will get 96. 96 by 2. Do cancellation, will get 48. Now here we get median 48. Without 0 calculate, here find median 55. So it is wrong. Now mode is correct. Fourth question. How many distinct means different sets of 3 positive integers have a mean 6, a median of 7 and no mode? Means without observations we can't find anyone. Means here answer cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. This is answer. So we can't find without giving data, without giving any observations. Next, fifth question. 4 integers are added to a group of integers 3, 4, 5, 5 and 8, and the mean, median and mode of the data increases by 1 each. Means 1 increase each observation. Increase means add. So what is the greatest integer in the new group of integers? See this answer. Answer, given integers. Given integers 3, 4, 5, 5, 8 and arithmetic mean or average or mean means sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8 by all observations. How many observations? Sum of all observations by number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations. This total add 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5, 10, 18, 25. Total 25 by 5. Here do cancellation, 5 ones, 5 5s. This is arithmetic mean or average or mean. For that, next find median. Median means given data, right? Ascending order 5, 5, 8. This is ascending order. Median. Depend upon observations. Odd number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations. What is median? Only one median. So which is middle value? That is called median. Here what is median? Middle number 5. So median is 5. And next to mode. Mode equal to which is repeated value. That is called mode. Right here repeated value equal to 5. That is mode. Now therefore mode equal to 5. Arithmetic mean. Mean equal to 5. Median 5. Mode equal to 5. All are equal. Now write one sentence here. Therefore mean nothing but arithmetic mean or average. Both are same. And next to median equal to mode. Having same answer equal to 5. Mean equal to 5, median equal to 5, mode equal to 5. And again what they said, when 1 is added after adding new observations, the changes are. How it will be changes? Write one sentence. When 1 is added after adding new observations. New observations, the changes. How it will be changes? Now here mean equal to, we get 5. Add 1, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Next to median. Median also 5. Add 1. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Next mode. Mode also will get 5. Add 1 will get 6. So now let the 4 number added, 4 number added, take any letters. So A, B, C, D. Like now new mean means sum of all observations by number of observations. Now these 4 new observations means given data and these 4 add. Means what are 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8. Given one, given observations 5 and we will take 4 extra observations. We want to find A, B, C, D. A plus B plus C plus D. Sum of all observations by number of observations. Already given that 5 observations, we are taken 4 number of observations. Means 5 plus 4 will get 9. Equal to 6. This total equal to, we get the same answer, mean, median, mode. For that, this is mean or arithmetic mean will get 6. The total equal to 6. Now this total add will get 25. 25 plus A plus B plus C plus D by 9 equal to 6. 9 send that side. 25 plus A plus B plus C plus D equal to 6 into 9. 6 into 9. And again here 25 plus A plus B plus C plus D equal to 6 nines 54. Here 25 also send that side. A plus B plus C plus D equal to 54. Here plus 25 send that side, minus 25. A plus B plus C plus D equal to 54 minus 25 will get 29. Now when mode is 6, observations are, mode is 6. Mode is 6. What are observations? Mode is 6. Observations are 3, 4, 5, 5, 8. They given all are 6. Means 6, 6, 6 and D. But here A plus B plus C plus D equal to will get 29. A plus B plus C plus D equal to 29. Here A, B, C values will get here 6. Substitute in this equation. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus D equal to 29. 6 plus 6 plus 6 will get 18. 18 plus D equal to 29. D equal to 29 minus 18. 29 minus 18 will get 11. D equal to 11. So what is the greatest value we added? That is new 11. 11 is added. So therefore the greatest integer added newly. So which one added newly? 11 is added.